Hello everybody, this is pillartrading.com and you are looking at a live trade here of the the Emini S&P 500 index. What you're seeing here is incredibly fast market for the after hour session. We normally have a little bit of a slow Globex session. Today you can see the trade here in the hour and a half leading up to this trade. We dropped from 1104.75s to 1089s. So again, incredibly fast market. It has been to the short side here for the past few weeks on ES, and this is just another opportunity for bears to get into the market. We are looking at these 96.75s as our entry short, and there we have filled. You see my stop loss automatically goes out, my first target goes out, as well as my entry for the runner going out. So you're going to see my stop loss will automatically move from -6 ticks to -4 ticks as soon as we get this first target filled, which the market is bouncing around right now at that level. See if the bears come in and see what they can do in terms of damage here. Had a little bit of a pullback here into that next short position. So from here, it's all about there's the first target hit, and now we begin to move down in the market. So you can see my stop loss automatically moved down, and it is incredibly fast for the after hour session. As I said before, this has got a huge target. Very rare that you would get this big of a target. This is all the way down here at 1085.25 is the target on this short. So we're going to move our runner down, and as we get closer to this target and as the trade progresses, I'm going to come back and do an update. But hopefully things work out here in the after hour session. We have continued weakness in the market. We were anticipating it all day yesterday in the live trading room, but this is going to be a really good start to the day if we can get it going. But right now, reduced risk down to $25 maximum I can lose on this trade. So all signs pointing in the right direction. Hello everybody, we are back looking at this trade. Unemployment numbers have just come out. You can see that we are now coming down and testing lows. So I'm just going to drag this thing down because it looks like it's coming down here pretty fast. 85.75 was our initial target. We are now at lows, coming down here and testing lows for the second time. 89 evens is lows, so it got a bounce there. But those unemployment numbers came out and we saw a huge drop in the market. So if it breaks below these lows, our target's going to be filled. If we find support here, it looks like it may be a double bottom. So just going to play it by ear now, watch how this thing trades. There it is, 88.25, 87.75. So we are breaking lows on the trade, and this looks like it's going to come down and hit our target down here at 85.75. So again, a huge move, risking $25 on the trade to end up with a what looks like it's going to be about a 500 and some odd change on the trade. So great way to start out a morning. When you wake up and you see the volatility on the ES like this, it is really something to behold. So we're just going to buy right back into strength. We are short, so you know, when it falls, it usually falls pretty quickly, and this is just a case in point. We've built up over the past few months, built up so much strength on the ES that it just hasn't maintained itself, and it's been on low volume. And we can see here these past few days just incredibly selling off. So something positive to start off the morning. Looks like it's going to be all shorts from here on in, so going to be interesting to see how it plays out. Here we go again, 86.75s, lows, lows, lows. Can't find anybody buying this thing, so looks like 85.75s is in the cards here. 86.50s just continues to come down. 86.50s again, and you'll see that this, you know, it's not unusual for the ES to trade in this sort of range. It is unusual for it to trade in this sort of range. There we go, I'm out. So up $575 on that trade alone, risking $25, and the bell hasn't even rung yet. So all we're going to do is drop the next measured move and do it again. So you can see where the risk-reward ratio comes into play here. It is something that it's not a trade system based on indicators. It's not a trade system based on following a crossover or anything like that. It's strictly price action. And this is, again, this is pre-market. This is not even gap fill trading. This is just pre-market watching price. Don't have the advantage of having all the things that you do when the market is open, all those little things that give us a slight edge over the competition. This is just strictly buying at wholesale or selling at wholesale and then getting out of it at retail. So the people that are getting in short now, unfortunately, are going to get squeezed up into the next move. So just an example of what you can do, risking $25, you can make $575 before the bell even rings. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, stop by the website www.pillartrading.com for more information. We've got a live trading room during the day, pre-market. We also do a little bit of pre-market. So stop by and check us out.